Hello everyone, this is Purushottam Vishwakarma, your English teacher, and today we are going to discuss 20 most important multiple choice questions for the chapter Reach for the Top Part Second, the life story of Maria Sharapova. So without any delay, let's begin. Question number 1. Maria Sharapova was born in which country was Maria Sharapova born? किस कंट्री में मारिया सारापोवा का जन्म हुआ था? यूएसए, फ्लोरिडा, रसिया, जापान. The correct answer is Russia. Do tell me your score in comment section. Try to answer before me and tell me your score in comment section. Second one, Maria became number 1 in world in women's tennis on कब? वो डेट कौन सी थी? 22 अप्रैल 2005, 22 सितंबर 2005, 22 अगस्त 2006, 22 अगस्त 2005. I hope you know the answer. 22 August 2005 is the correct answer. Next one. She had to go to Florida at the age of. वो कितने साल की थी जब अपनी मम्मी से बिछड़ करके उसको फ्लोरिडा अमेरिका जाना पड़ता है टेनिस सीखने के लिए? 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, 9 years. How old she was? She was 9 years old when she was separated from her mother. Next one, she was separated from her mother for how many years? कितने साल के लिए वो अपनी मम्मी से अलग हो जाती हैं? 6 years, 2 years, 4 years, 5 years. 2 years. Answer is 2 years. Next one, what is the name of her mother? उनकी मदर का नेम क्या है? हाना, इसाबेल, येलेना, यूरी. The name of her mother is Yelena. What is the name of her mother? Yelena. यूरी कौन है? उनके फादर हैं. Question number 6 on your screen. Her mother had to stay back in Siberia because of. क्या वजह थी कि उनकी मम्मी को साइबेरिया में ही रुकना पड़ा उनके होम कंट्री में? Being ill, visa restrictions, family problems, money problem. क्या वजह थी? Due to visa restrictions. Next one. At the age of 9 years, she had learned that tennis excellence would. What to fill here from your textbook? Only come after giving bribe, only come after flattering, only come at a price, never come. क्या सीखा उन्होंने? एक लेसन अपनी लाइफ में सीखा था 9 साल की उम्र में. टेनिस एक्सीलेंस वुड कम ओनली एट अ प्राइस. एट्थ वन, व्हेन डिड सी यूजुअली गो टू बेड इन फ्लोरिडा? जब वो फ्लोरिडा में ट्रेनिंग के लिए गई थी तो यूजुअली कितने बजे सो जाया करती थी? 7 PM, 8 PM, 9 PM, 11 PM. द करेक्ट आंसर इज 8 PM. उनके साथ में जो ट्रेनिंग लेने वाले स्टूडेंट्स थे वो 11 PM पे आते थे और फिर इनको जगा के बोलते थे क्लीन द रूम, टाइडी अप द रूम. Who ordered how to tidy up and clean the room? I just told you the answer. Her mother, her father, the other pupils, none of these. The correct option is the other pupils. जो दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स इनके साथ ट्रेनिंग ले रहे थे वो इनसे आके कहते 11 PM पे उठो, कमरे की साफ सफाई करो, क्योंकि ये सबसे छोटी थी. Who was Maria's favorite author? Jane Austen, Arthur Conan Doyle, Douglas James, none of these. It's very easy. Arthur Conan Doyle. How many years did Maria take to reach for the top? कितने साल लगे मारिया को टॉप पे पहुंचने के लिए? ठीक उतने ही साल जितने लगे थे संतोष यादव को माउंट एवरेस्ट फतह करने के लिए. 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, none of these. It's very easy. 4 years. What is Maria's mantra for success? Being competitive, working hard, respecting her job, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. So what is the correct answer? All of these. Next one. What is most important for Maria Sharapova? Maria Sharapova के लिए लाइफ में सबसे important क्या था? To be famous, to earn money, to go to America, to be number one in world tennis? The last option, to be number one in world tennis. Next one, what are the hobbies of Maria Sharapova? उनको क्या क्या शौक थे? Fashion, singing, dancing, all of these. You can easily answer. She liked fashion. That is why she was seen in glamorous attire. Singing का शौक था उनको, dancing का शौक था. All of these. Next one, who accompanied Maria to USA? मारिया को USA कौन लेके जाता है? किसके साथ वो जाती हैं USA? Trip to Florida. Her uncle, her father, her mother? None. Her father accompanied her to USA. She would have borne much more humiliation in order to. और ज़्यादा तकलीफ़ें और ज़्यादा अपमान वो सह सकती थी. क्या करने के लिए? Leave tennis, leave America, pursue her dream. None of these. It's very easy. In order to pursue her dream. What is she fond of? उनको किन चीज़ों का शौक है? Fashionable evening gowns, pancakes with chocolate spread, fizzy orange drinks, all of these. So what is the correct answer? All of these is the correct answer. 18th one, which of the given option is similar to not agreeing with? आपके एग्जामिनेशन में वर्ड मीनिंग भी पूछी जाती हैं, सिमिलर वर्ड, सिनोनिम पूछे जाते हैं. सो दैट इज वाई नॉट एग्रीइंग विद किसकी मीनिंग है? लॉन्च्ड, पैक्ड ऑफ, एट ऑड्स विद. नन ऑफ दीज. एट ऑड्स विद मीन्स not agreeing with. Next one, second last question. Do tell me your score out of these 20 questions. What was your score? Which word from the text describes attractive and exciting clothes? किसका मतलब है attractive, भड़कीली पोशाक? Poised, glamorous attire, heart wrenching? None of these. It's very easy. Glamorous attire. Next one and last one. What lifted her to the top of the world? Her talent, firm desire, readiness to sacrifice, all of these. The correct answer is all of these. I hope you enjoyed this video. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक बटन दबा दें, और अगर चैनल को पहली बार देख रहे हों तो सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ इस वीडियो को शेयर करें. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.